I'm sorry, I was muted. Court does call the case People versus Shawn Walker.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Craig Paffin appearing on behalf of the people.
All right, thank you.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Serps on behalf of Mr. Walker, who may be on Zoom.
Have him? I don't have him.
Your Honor, I did my attempts to try to reach out to him, had no success. For the record, we'd be requesting an adjournment.
What is the current amount of child support owed?
Your Honor, in this particular case, it is an arrearage only file. At this time, it is $441.72. This file previously had 2 felony informations filed in years past. And then when he caught up, they were both now lead. This is the 3rd time we're here on this file.
You said the amount of the arrearage is
41 and 72 cents.
Bench warrant will issue. Bond set in the amount of $441 cash.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That warrant will issue immediately. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the People versus Jimmy Murray.
Ready, Your Honor. I'm ready for good afternoon. I'm ready to people.
I'm Roderick Green for the defense, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Oh, my goodness.
Good to see you, Judge.
Oh, my goodness. I see him out in the community, see him other places. Always say hi to me and everything.
Always
Come down here visiting me. Doesn't appear face.
Good to see you.
Doesn't
Judge.
say I'm gonna show up, and all of a sudden just shows up.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Is it good? Good to see you.
It is a blessing seeing you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, we're substituting in for the public defender, and we're asking for a 2-week adjournment so I can get discovery and get up to speed on this case.
All right. That objection, will the 25th work for you?
I'm sorry.
Will the 25th work for you, sir?
Is the 18th available, Your Honor? But
Yeah, with you and about 200 other people, yeah, it's available. We can squeeze you in.
can you? On the 18th?
18th?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't
Public
mind.
Cause Conference, September 18th, 2025, 9 a.m. or as your invitation indicates. Bond will continue.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Good seeing you. Court does call the case of the People versus Antonio Young, all 3 of his cases.
And then on behalf of the people.
Right, Judge, portion of peace, Judge. On behalf of Mr. Young, who is approaching the podium.
And good afternoon. Sorry, Tarsha.
No problem.
always cutting people off. Sorry.
Go right
Okay,
ahead.
it's
Go right
okay.
ahead.
I'd rather hear from you.
So
But
what
go
I-
ahead.
So what I judge?
Thanks, Judge. Good afternoon, Judge. Christina Costantino appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Young, and I'm appearing in case number ending in 1177 FY.
And I believe we have the remainder, Judge.
All right.
Young, please state your name for the record.
Antonio Young. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Ms. Constantino and emailed with the prosecutor's office. My understanding is we're hoping for an adjournment to seek a global resolution on all files.
All right.
That's correct.
Will the 30th work for you? It's a Tuesday.
It will on our end.
It works on my end as well. Thank you, Judge.
All righty. September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. On all these matters, bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Court does call the case of the People versus Mary Collins.
Mr. Riddell's case. Yeah. A lawyer.
Are you, well, don't you leave.
Howard, on behalf of Mary Collins, is approaching the podium and will be standing to my right. Ms. Collins, Please state your name for the record.
My name's Mary Collins.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. Today is a date and time set for probable cause conference. I did speak to the people this morning, and they have extended an offer which we intend to take. For the record, that offer is to dismiss count 1 and to plead guilty to an added count 2 and 3 of attempted resisting obstructing.
That's what the plea form indicates, that she'll be pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing the 1-year offenses. Upon her successful plea to those charges, count 1 would be dismissed. May I have her sworn?
Right. You solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
State your name.
Mary Collins.
Prosecutor counters firmly. He grabbed her, scratched her, damaged her door. The evidence, they argue, proves reckless risk and child abuse. The jury must decide whose story carries weight.
Ma'am, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing.
That's what I understand.
Okay, those are misdemeanors, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes. That's gotta be yes.
You do understand that, ma'am?
Can you say it?
So is it a hearing problem?
Are you having problems hearing?
I can't hear very well.
Okay, it's okay. We have some equipment that will, that will probably help you. Okay?
Okay. Something about 1 year, but I couldn't hear the rest.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, we'll get you the hearing. We'll get you some mics and we'll get you mic'd up. Okay. Should be good.
Okay, Ms. Collins, is that better for you?
Yes, it is.
It is.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. The court's understanding is that you're pleading guilty to 2 charges of attempted resisting and obstructing.
Yes.
That's your understanding? Okay. Those are misdemeanors, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration or $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. You also understand, ma'am, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Perry in the 15th District Court.
Yes, I understand that.
All right. So understanding all of that, you still wish to plead guilty
Yes.
to the charge of attempted resisting and obstructing as contained in count 2. How do you plead?
How do you plead to the resisting obstructing? Attempted.
Attempted, yes, I plead guilty.
All right. To that same charge as contained in count 3, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
All right. I need you to look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights that are contained on that form.
These things were in there.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plea?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
and of your own free will,
Yes.
and because you believe that you're guilty of these offenses?
Yes.
On the date of June 17th, 2023, at the location of North Maple and Miller Road in the city of Ann Arbor, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, did you come into contact with 2 officers from the Ann Arbor Police Department?
Yes.
Okay, what happened?
I was trying to get out of Ann Arbor. I didn't realize that they were following me until I got onto 23. When I got on 23, I looked in the mirror and there were 4 officers' cars chasing me down 23. So I pulled off the first exit.
So if I may, Judge, please. So did you have opportunities to pull over before you did? Did you drive on longer than you needed to?
I drove as far as to the exit on Territorial Road.
Okay. Could you have pulled over earlier?
Could I have pulled over on the side of the
Yes.
highway? I probably could have.
Between Miller Road and North Territorial?
After Miller Road, I got onto 14 and then 23. And then I got up when I saw they were chasing me. I pulled off on Territorial Road exit.
If that's a ways, but okay.
Yeah, it's a ways.
And you could have pulled over. Okay.
I
Did you
could-
know they were trying to pull you over?
Once I saw 4 police cars side by side on 23, yeah. I realized they wanted me to pull over.
So at what point did you notice that there were 4 police cars behind you?
I was onto 23 North. You understand?
Yeah.
Your Honor, with defense counsel and court permission, may I board here?
No objection.
Go for it.
Thank you, counsel.
Ms. Collins,
Yes,
on that date, didn't your vehicle come to a stop at the intersection of Miller and Maple?
you did.
And wasn't there an officer at your window telling you to roll down your window?
There was an officer by my window and there was one in front of the car.
And then you drove away
Yes,
and then drove onto 23?
yes,
And eventually they had to use stop sticks to stop your car?
yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, so,
Thank you, counsel.
I mean, yes,
so ma'am, at Maple and Miller, you drove around a police officer that was in front of your vehicle?
yeah, I told the guy at my window to have the officer get out from in front of my car because I didn't want to hurt anybody. And then I drove out.
At the time, you knew that they wanted you then to stop because they had some business with you.
Yes, I knew they wanted me to stop for some reason.
Okay.
Defense is satisfied at this point, Judge.
Okay, ma'am, I do have to advise you that if you do commit misconduct between the time that I accept your plea and the time of your sentencing, you would not be entitled to, the court would no longer be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation regarding your sentence. You understand that?
Yes,
And the other thing is that you would not be permitted to withdraw your plea. You understand that?
yes,
Is counsel aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Have I complied with the court ruling? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's pleas?
People are satisfied.
You have and it would.
Okay. Court will accept the defendant's pleas of guilty to counts 2 and 3. Count 1 is dismissed. The pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing in this matter will be
September 22nd at 8:30.
September 22nd, 2025, 8:30 before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, Your Honor.
We'll talk about that. And I have some equipment for you, Alan.
You want these back? Thank you very much.
All right, we'll go talk about everything.
Defense paints the scratch as unexplained, the door damage as mutual force, the rules as parental discipline. They argue teenage anger fueled a false narrative. Doubt flickers across the room.
Wow. You're welcome. Court has called the case of the people versus Christopher Taylor.
Definitely got to make it cook for the people.
No, I'll wait.
Robert, on behalf of Christopher Taylor, who's approaching the podium. Mr. Taylor, please state your name for the record. Christopher Taylor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's a date and time set for preliminary exam. We are asking that the matter, today's date and time set for probable cause conference. We're asking that it be set for preliminary exam.
Discovery is complete.
Yes, Judge.
People have their witnesses available to 16.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination will be set in person September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the people versus Lamine Caba.
For the people.
Public Defender Chelsea Regiles with and on behalf of Caba. Mr. Caba, please state your name. Your Honor, we're asking to adjourn for a competency referral. I provided the order to the court this morning.
All right. Give me 90. A forensic evaluation will be ordered. Set a competency hearing for December 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right. Thank you. Court calls case People versus Amanda Lewis.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Lewis, who should be appearing via Zoom.
Oh, there she is.
Lewis, will you state your name for the record?
See her there.
Yeah, she's there. Miss Lewis, are you trying to talk to us?
Yes, Amanda Lewis.
Okay, there you go. Okay, I wasn't hearing anything.
Thank you.
All right.
Sorry. Your Honor, I'm asking for an adjournment for some continued plea negotiation. May I approach?
Yes. Thank you. Probable cause conference will be then adjourned to September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Lewis. You're welcome. Court calls case of the People versus Lita Jones.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the People.
Oh, there she is. Regiles. Ma'am, while we wait for your attorney, can you state your name, please?
Lita Jones.
Lita. Okay.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Regiles and on behalf of Lita Jones. Ms. Jones, please state your name.
Lita Jones.
She already did.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I am asking for an adjournment to receive media discovery in this case.
Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Jones.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Nathaniel Jones II.
Assistant Public Defender Shannon and really on behalf of Mr. Nathaniel Jones, who's approaching. Mr. Jones, when you get to the podium, state your name for the record.
Nathaniel Jones.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. I think we're close to a resolution. The need to confirm some things.
Cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Ronald Jones.
Remember that is on behalf of Mr. Jones, who's here in the courtroom. Can you please say your name for the record?
Ronald Jones. Thank you.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment so that we can discuss plea negotiations with the prosecutor.
The 18th won't work, right?
You can do the 25th for this one, if Your Honor is so inclined.
He doesn't want to say why now this time. Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a blessed rest of your day, Honor. Court does call the case of the People versus Zion Jones.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the People.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Zion Jones, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Jones.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you
State
hear
your
me?
name.
Zion
Yeah, we
Jones.
can hear you. I need a camera.
Set my camera on.
Oh, no, you don't.
It was on a second.
I didn't go back to correct. Okay.
It's not on?
No, sir.
Your Honor, for the record, I do recognize my client's voice.
Okay. Yeah, I get it, but okay. What are we doing? So
Your Honor, I understand.
it's gonna be all day with new technology of Zoom.
I understand we're here for. There he is.
Oh, yep, there he is. Okay, now it's.
Your Honor, I understand we are here for an arraignment and added charge. As to that, we will waive a formal reading, stand mute at this time.
Yes, actually, you added, it added count 4. Yes, so you were arraigned, defendant being arraigned on count 4, standing mute, court will enter not guilty plea. What are we doing otherwise? Adjourning.
As to the PCC today, Your Honor, we are asking that this matter be set for preliminary examination. To the best of my knowledge, discovery is complete.
Got it. People have their witnesses available on the 16th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination will be set September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Perry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. And Mr. Jones?
Yes, sir.
You failed to appear yesterday for a hearing before me on a Pittsfield Township matter. It might have been a state case, but you didn't appear. We adjourned that out. Do we have what date? So I adjourned it out because
Okay.
you normally do appear and didn't issue a bench warrant, but you're set for September 17th to be here on your misdemeanor case.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Court calls the case People versus Shannon Keling.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Ms. Keesling, Your Honor. Excuse me, just state your name for the record, please.
Shannon Keling.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm asking for an adjournment. We just had video uploaded into our system yesterday, so I haven't reviewed it and haven't had a chance to review it with my client.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a Tuesday. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
We'll be in touch. Thanks.
Court calls case People versus Christopher Neper.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Mr. Neper, who appears via Zoom.
Is this new? Okay, I didn't think so. This. I don't have a date when it came.
Yeah, 7:23.
Okay.
Mr. Neper, can you please state your name for the record?
Christopher Napier, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we are just asking for an adjournment for progress in terms of asking for a resolution. My understanding is that my client is at Bear River and then doing outpatient treatment. So we're just tracking that for purposes of an offer.
So is he currently at Bear River?
Your Honor, my understanding, Mr. Neper, you're currently at Bear River, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What I'll do then is probable cause conference will be adjourned out to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. Or as your invite indicates, bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Court calls the case People versus Sandra Law.
Deputy Your Honor, ready for the people.
Court shall feature Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Law, who is approaching the podium.
questions probe unfair rules, favoritism, and resentment. Asia admits fights were frequent. She confesses, "I love my dad, but he hurts me." The courtroom holds its breath in silent tension.
Sandra Law. Thank you, Judge. I turn to the court a copy of our adjournment request for 2 weeks. We're still trying to reach a resolution on this matter. My understanding is that there is also a community corrections report in the file about her missing her testing with community corrections. She indicates that she is testing through her psychologist.
It's my outpatient therapy at McGira. They test me at McGira, and I talked to her, and she said she sent them to Miss Kerr yesterday, and also to Miss Haven, because I'm on probation to 14B. So I've been dropping there for 14B.
Oh.
When I seen you, I asked you if I could drop there, and you said yes, but they evidently said they sent them yesterday.
Okay, so, and you signed a release so that you.
Yes, I did. Yeah, they sent an email to both of them.
So you're testing there, okay.
Yes. Only because I don't have to pay for it.
Okay.
I'm in a bad situation with surgery. I have to have and everything, so.
Then what I will do is I will adjourn this probable cause conference at defendant's request, September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a Tuesday. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor. Thank you.
Court does call the case, People versus Napier, Lawson, Morton.
Ready again, Judge. Torshell Feaster, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Lawson Morton. Please declare the record, sir.
Xavier Lawson Morton.
Thank you, Judge. I have recently been in touch with the prosecutor on this matter. We are discussing 2 potential offers at this time, and going to discuss that further with my client. If we could have a briefing, matter resolved.
Probable cause conference, September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Again, that's a Tuesday. Bond.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Court calls case, People versus Austin Lovestell.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Regios with and on behalf of Austin Lobestall. Mr. Lobestall, please state your name.
Austin Lobestall.
Your Honor, we are asking to.
He's trying to pay restitution.
Yes.
So how much more time where is he in that process?
I believe he's going to make his first payment today, which is going to be a substantial part of it.
Then how much more time is he going to need to complete what he needs to do?
Probably a month.
A month? Would that be about right, sir?
Yes.
All right. Probable cause conference will be adjourned to October 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Court does call the case, People versus Jeremy McGee.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Serps with and on behalf of Mr. McGee. Mr. McGee, can you unmute and state your name for the record, please?
Jeremy Michael McGee.
Your Honor, we do respectfully request that this be set for preliminary exam.
Discovery is complete.
My knowledge.
People have their witnesses available the 16th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Washington. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the case of the People versus Carol Mager.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Regios with and on behalf of Carol Mager, who approaches. Can you please state your name?
Carol, you want my middle name? Carol Ann Mager.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking to adjourn this for a competency referral as submitted in order to the court this morning.
Or, I'm sorry. Okay. The order's been signed, but is it? Just want to make everything's out of whack here. Okay, got it. Forensic evaluation having been ordered. Set a competency hearing for December 4th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. All right, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Maker.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the people versus Tina McGira.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerbs on behalf of Ms. McGira, who's approaching the podium. Please state your name for the record.
Tina McGira.
Your Honor, we'd be requesting an adjournment for some continued discussions with the prosecutor.
Probable cause will be adjourned September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case people versus Curtis Martin.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Zerbs on behalf of Mr. Martin, who should be present via Zoom, Your Honor. I believe that may.
Curtis Martin.
Hello, yes, I'm Curtis Martin.
Okay, you got it. Because couldn't have been Samuel Freeman because he's having a sandwich.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this time, we'd be requesting an adjournment. There has been a offer worked out between me and Mr. Mayville. At this time, we just kind of need to execute the documents, have further discussions with Mr. Martin, and we should be able to proceed at the next probable cause conference.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a Tuesday. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case people versus Derek Martin.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Martin. The record.
Derek Martin.
Your Honor, subsequent to submitting the green sheet in this matter, I've learned that there is no additional video we are waiting for. But even with that being said, I just wanted to state that for the record. We're still going to ask for an adjournment of the probable cause conference because I just learned that, like I said, subsequent to submitting that form. So I want to discuss that implication with Mr. Martin.
Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls case people versus Jeremy Maza.
We're ready now. Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, Ribbon on behalf of Mr. Maza, who appears by Zoom. Mr. Maza, please state your name for the record.
Hello, Your Honor. My name is Jeremy Maza.
Maza.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for probable cause conference. We are basically trying to get an update on Mr. Maza's progress in the Bear River program. So we don't have any reports from the facility itself.
All right, Mr. Maza, what are you? How much longer are you scheduled to be at Bear River?
I'm being released from Bear River this Saturday on the 6th, and I'm going to be residing in Oasis. It's a sober living program in Emmett County.
Right. Okay. So let's do this. So you can do that, get settled there. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Besides, it has nothing to do with this case, but my wife divorced me while I was up here. That's
okay. Sorry to hear that.
It's
but you can make it through it, right?
Yes.
All right. Probable cause conference all set for September 30th, 2025.
Thank you, Your Honor.
9 a.m. That's a Tuesday. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the people versus Patrick McGee.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook, the people.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Dirk on behalf of Mr. McGee. Your Honor, I did reach out. He's appeared at the last couple court dates, so I'm surprised to not see him present today. I have no explanation for his failure to appear, but we were going to be requesting an adjournment for the record.
E, no response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $10,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the people versus Shawn Milo.
On cross, defense attorney Natalie presses. Was it discipline, not abuse? Did Asia exaggerate? Was resentment toward her mother projected? Asia insists, I was scared. He was trying to hurt me.
And with that, on behalf of Mr. Milo, can you please say your name for the record?
Shawn Milo.
Okay.
We're asking for an adjournment, Your Honor, please, to continue the negotiations with prosecution. Oh.
No, you're not. Get it to me. September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll await the green sheet.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of the people versus Jordan Miller.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Miller, Your Honor. State your name for the record.
Jordan Miller. I think it's a religious.
It's a religious.
Yeah, it's a religious.
Thanks. Thank you. Thanks, Judge. Your Honor, we're asking that this matter be sent for a preliminary examination. To my knowledge, all discovery is complete.
Preliminary examination in person at September 16th. People would have their witnesses, correct? 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Perry. Okay. Bond will, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. That's called the case, people versus Javon.
Thank you,
Bell.
Ron.
Thank you.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Mills, who is appearing to resume. Mr. Mills, will you state your name for the record?
Yes, Javon Mills.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment for some plea negotiations. I spoke with Mr. Mills. I'd like to provide Mr. Kennedy with some information regarding his case.
Probable cause conference, September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a
Thank you.
Tuesday. Bond continue.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Courthouse case, people versus Omar Mohammed.
Assistant Public Defender Alexis Dirk with and on behalf of Mr. Mohammed, who's approaching. Please state your name for the record.
Omar Mohammed.
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment for some
Of
further
course you are.
discussions with the people and to provide some mitigation information as well.
It's like her 40th adjournment today.
It's been painful for myself too, Your Honor.
Why are you smiling?
It's the uncomfortable smile.
Is that what that is?
It is, yes, Your Honor.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned September, well, make it September 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case people versus Bryant Murphy.
People, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Ridgefield with and on behalf of Bryant Murphy. Mr. Murphy, please state your name.
Brian Murphy.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I don't have a signed form, but Mr. Murphy would like to waive his right to a preliminary examination to seek HIDA in circuit court.
All right. Is that correct, Mr. Murphy?
Yes, it is.
All right. You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause, by the standard of probable cause, that this offense was committed and that you committed it. You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that by waiving, you will not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on the single count.
We acknowledge receipt of the information, waive its formal reading, and stand mute.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
October 23rd at 1:30 with Judge Slay.
October 23rd, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Slay.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good one.
Bond will continue. I'm sorry, what'd you say, sir?
I said, have a good one. Thank you.
Will it be Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, you told me to have a good one. I'm sorry. It's muffled on my end here. You do the same. All right. Take care. Court calls the case of the People versus Marcus Napier.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
And good afternoon, Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Napier. Mr. Napier, if you are on Zoom, please unmute and state your name for the court.
Nope.
Your Honor, I saw that on Axfield, he had an MDOC hold and he's not still in our jail. So I am wondering if there is a good chance that he's incarcerated in MDOC facility. I don't know if that would make a difference in terms of the court not issuing a bench warrant.
Nope. But thanks for the info.
Understood, Your Honor.
Bench warrant will issue. Bond 10,000. Cash surety. Warrant will issue immediately. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case People versus Michael Owens.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Raymond.
Apple.
So sorry.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple
No,
appearing on
it's Kennedy's fault. Oh, I know.
on behalf of Michael Owens. Oh, there he is.
Oh, there he is.
Mr. Owens, will you state your name for the record?
Michael Owens.
Hands out of your pocket. Hands out of your pocket. Yeah.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're asking that this matter be set for a preliminary examination.
All right. All discoveries complete.
To our knowledge, yes, Judge.
All right. People have their witnesses available the 16th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person will be set September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That will be before Judge Washington.
Back here in this courtroom, but in front of Judge Washington, okay?
Bond will continue.
But in front of Judge Washington, okay? Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, Mr. Owens. Court calls the case of the People versus Ryan Phelps.
And Laura Yagi, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Phelps. Your Honor, I've attempted communication with Mr. Phelps. I have no representation.
Yeah. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $10,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of People versus Sheree Powell.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. People.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Ms. Powell, who's approaching now. Can you state your name for the record?
Sheree Powell.
Your Honor, rest of this matter is set for preliminary examination.
All right, discovery is complete.
To our knowledge, yes.
People have their witnesses available on the 16th.
Leave the victim to be double check that liquor really quick. We're good. Thank you.
Preliminary examination in person will be set September 16th, 2025, 9 a.m. That will be before Judge Perry. Bond will continue. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Samuel Freeman.
Assistant Public Defender Chelsea Vergils with and on behalf of Samuel Freeman. Mr. Freeman, please state your name.
Samuel Freeman.
What kind of sandwich was that?
Basic peanut butter and jelly. My wife just.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like you were enjoying it. That's all right. I just wonder what was in it.
Magic on it.
What'd you say?
My wife put her magic on
it. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we're asking to adjourn briefly to finish up our plea discussion.
Okay. Probable cause conference, September 25th, 2025, 9 a.m. Or as your invite indicates, bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Freeman.
Yep, thank you.
Why did I didn't pass this. Where?